Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Walton Park Road. This is a very busy intersection in Jamaica, especially in the city of Kingston. So we are currently on Hagley Park Road, and if we go straight, we stay on Hagley Park Road. If we turn left, we take Walton Park Road to the Olympic Gardens area. If we turn right, we take Walton Park Road to back to Spanish Town Road. And you see we have the green, and you see these cars still turning and blocking the intersection. This is kind of indiscipline that happens every day. Alright, so Hagley Park Road was recently renovated under the major infrastructure development program, and as you can see, it's a very nice dual carriageway now. 4 lanes, concrete barricade, lights, white lines, new signal, traffic lights. Okay, on the right now is Excel Auto Parts. They're they sell car parts. On the left, coming up on the left where you see that blue fence now, is the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission's office, and they are in charge of all the gaming or gambling in Jamaica. Casino Gaming Commission, but the name is Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission. So all the casinos, all the cash pot games, all the slot machines, they are in charge of it. So on the right now is the Domes warehouse. It's called the Domes. It's like a plaza, but there it's like you have a, okay, on the right you have tire warehouse. So the Domes is like a warehouse slash store. So you have like a storefront at the front, and then you have a warehouse at the back. And then you have a car dealership on the left. So Hagley Park Road takes you from Spanish Town Road or Marcus Garvey Drive all the way up to Halfway Tree. And the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. It's in the 3 miles area, and that's why the overpass was built at that spot, because it's the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So on the left now is Bert's Auto Parts. On the right is the Ministry of Local Government. On the right is a Honda car dealership. On the right now is the Health Brands warehouse, and then on the right we're passing now is the Carreras depot. The Carreras is a company that sells the cigarettes in Jamaica. We're now coming up to the intersection with Eastwood Park Road and Maxfield Avenue. At this intersection, if we turn left, well, we're going to turn left, we're going to go onto Eastwood Park Road. If we were to turn right, we would go onto Maxfield Avenue, but Maxfield Avenue is a one-way at this point, so you can't turn right, but that's Maxfield Avenue. The cars are coming from the right. And we can't go straight across because it's a one-way coming down, but the road coming down, if we were to go straight across, is Hagley Park Road as well. So we're now turning left and going on to Eastwood Park Road. So on the right now, that is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Now these metal barricades that you saw that person going over, they were put there so that persons don't cross the road at those points. But clearly that didn't stop him.